Hi friends, are you trying to build your own website in weeks? Then you might have faced this problem, not loading problem. So you have been searching for how it is possible to solve. Then here you have to go to your Chrome browser and tap the three dot to go to your desktop site. After going to your desktop site, you will see your all website in the dashboard. As you can see here, I have created some website, and after selecting one that you want to edit, you will see that your dashboard open, and here at the lower point you can see there is a edit site option. You have to just tap it, and after tapping you will see that your not loading problem it happened here again. So you have to just go to your three dot button and make it your desktop site. So you will be able to go to your Wix website. But after going to your Wix website, you will not be able to edit the site and add add any element, because here is your desktop mode in the editor X in Wix is not available. So what you can do to solve it, you have to go to your settings. So you have to go to your settings, then go to your about section, then go to your build number and tap it 7 times to make it able to open your developer option. Just after tapping the developer option on, just go to developer option, and here you can see after scrolling down you will see that screen width option. Here you will find that here it is 360 dp, means the smallest width of the screen is 360. That make it 4 or 600 to make your website visible. So here I give it 600 dp, and just go to your Chrome browser. You will see that your website is in desktop mode. Now our website is loading, and here it is open. So here you can see that our desktop mode is open in our website, and you can add any element to it. Just tap the plus icon button, and here I am going to add a about section. So just go to about section, and here just tap any element, so you will be able to add any element in this laptop mode, desktop mode. So as you can see that in this way we will be able to build your own website in mobile without going to laptop or PC. So just take it simple and make it easy to build your own website in free in your mobile. And here you can see the uh, mobile option is also available, so you will be able to build your mobile design in your Android mobile so easily. So it is a very good thing that Wix provided us this new features, so you will be able and easily make it your own website on your small laptop, sorry, mobile. So this is for today. Thank you for watching this.